Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to turn off recommended notifications on YouTube Music app. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off recommended notifications on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. After opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And tap on the settings button over here just above help and feedback. Tap on settings and tap on the notifications option over here just above the privacy and data. Tap on it and you can see the first option that says music recommendation notification. And in order to turn off the recommended notifications on the YouTube Music app, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option, and then your recommended notifications from the YouTube Music app will be turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off recommended notifications on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.